Been wanting to buy a car, but I don't know what to do. What do you think?
Yeah, we should buy a new car, bro.
Okay.
Hello, I'm the dealership man. The car is over there.
Ooh, cars over there. Let's go. Alright guys, so we just looked at all the cars. There's a bunch of cars. We're gonna look at them. Alright, so there's this white truck. Obviously, it's really cool.
Oh yeah.
How much does this car cost?
You don't know. No. The car is over there.
Oh, the car is for us?
Yes.
Okay. Is this the car?
Yes, it is quite exact.
Oh wow. Let's check it out.
Bro, it got the trunk. It has a trunk, bro.
Oh, yo, let's see how I fit.
Sweet, let's ride it, bro. How much is it? $3 billion.
3 billion?
Yes,
I
sir.
won't afford that. Let's
I can afford it, bro. I got the YouTube money.
Oh yeah, because our viewers always give us money.
Yeah.
Yeah, they donated $3 billion. Alright, we're gonna hit. Oh my god.
Brad Martin.
Alright guys, so right now we're driving and it is really fast. Oh my god. Alright, so I almost crashed, but we like the car, so we're gonna take it.
Okay, what is my money? Here you go.
Alright, bye. We're gonna have to do another video on TikTok about driving the car. Let's go. See you in a few minutes.